Hello, this is Lila Solar. Trust you guys are doing great. We are here again in Ondo State to install 4 pieces of 280 watts panel, a 3 kV inverter which has an MPP charge controller of about 1500 watts in capacity, which is that's 60 amps 24 volts, a 200 bank battery bank. We've just concluded the installation, and let me show you how the panel looks like. So here are the panels, 280 watts each, making a total of 4. What we did, the configuration we did is just 2 in series and another 2 in series. So the 2 bottom ones are in series together. The one at the top are also in series together, and we had our combiner boxes. Since the distance from the panels to where the inverter is being installed is not that far, so we had 2 strings going in. That's the cable, the power cable going in there, a 6 mm cable going in. I'll go inside now and show you how the setup looks like inside the house. So here's our setup. This is our combiner box, the 3 kV Genex inverter. Here's specification. AC out, AC in, battery disconnect. Amaron Quanta 200 amps battery. So the combiner box has been optimized for 1 more string. So we are currently using 2 strings, PV1, PV2, the main breaker, and we have a surge protector for the whole DC system. And here we have it. Okay, let's see. Did some configurations as well. Currently, the PV is generating 298, about 300 watts of PV power. The battery is full already. The battery is at 25.1 volts, and we have a load. Our load is 18% thereabout, which is equivalent to 423 watts of load right now. The pharmacy is still under construction, as you can see. So here's the pharmacy, and also this section is dedicated for the mini supermarket. We are testing now, the loads are on. The AC is not connected to the system actually. I'm a customizer.